Hello students, today I shall give you the derivation of a fitting of a parabola or second degree curve by the method of least square itself. You know that what is the equation of a straight parabola as well as second degree, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c itself. Now we shall consider here xi yi be a order pair values where I is running from 1 to n with a set of observations which is related to the two variables, that is x as well as y itself. Now we shall consider the parabola equation or second degree equation, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c be the given equation. Now we have to fit the values in that equation or in that curve that becomes the best fitting of the curve itself by the method of least square itself. So for that purpose, what we require, we have to find out the values of a, b, c, means we get the points. By at that points, the curve will get the best fitting of the curve itself. For that, again, what we have to choose here, we have to take the point x is equal to xi. This is the expected value at the curve ax square plus bx plus c itself, means it is actually residual point. So whenever we can take a residual value we have been there, that is di is equal to yi minus f of xi itself. Now substitute the values of f of x, that is ax square plus bx plus c. We have to replace the point x is equal to xi. Now if e is equal to 0, then means what? All the points are lies on the curve itself. So, but sometimes what we get, e is equal to 0. All the points are not lies on the curve. That times we have to use the least square. E is minimum. So whenever we can make as a E is minimum, we get the values of a three constant, that is dou e by dou a is equal to 0, dou e by dou b is equal to 0, and dou e by dou c is equal to 0 itself. Isn't it? Now what is the value of E? Residual value of E we have in there, that is sum of the square of the residual itself. What we have written, sum of square of residual, that is sum of di square. Now you know the values of di, that is yi minus axi square plus bxi plus c is the whole square. Now what we require, E is minimum, means we have to differentiate this one with respect to a, with respect to b, with respect to c partially. We get these three set of equations. So afterwards what we have to make, dou e by dou a is equal to 0, dou e by dou b is equal to 0, and dou e by dou c is equal to 0 is there. Means after simplification we get sum of yi minus axi square plus bxi plus c into xi square is equal to 0. Second equation we get sum of yi minus axi square plus bxi plus c into xi equal to 0, and third equation, that is dou e by dou c, we get, that is sum of yi minus axi square plus bxi plus c equal to 0. Simplify these three set of equations, we will get the normal form of the equation, three equations, that is summation of xi square yi is equal to a into sum of xi raised to 4 plus b into sum of xi cube plus c into sum of xi square. Similarly, second equation we get normal equation, sum of xi yi is equal to a into summation of xi cube plus b into summation of xi square plus c into summation of xi, and third equation we get sum of yi is equal to a into sum of xi square plus b into sum of xi plus c into sum of what we get, that is 3n. These are the three normal equations of the second degree curve itself, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is at the point x is equal to xi. If you replace at the point only x, we will get these three general equations of a normal equations of a parabola of second degree curve. Now we have to solve these three equations. Solving these three equations, we will get the three set of points, that is a, b, c. These are the 3 points which fits in the second degree parabola by least square method, that is the best fitting of the curve itself. After substituting the values of a, b, c, we will get the equation of the form y is equal to a value into x square plus b value into x plus c value, that is the best fitting of the curve.